7.8 million early deaths each year worldwide would be avoided if people ate up to 10 portions of vegetables and fruit daily. In Britain, only 31% of adults meet the 5-a-day recommendation, increasing their risk of stroke and some cancers. I'm a registered nutritional therapist, and I provide consultations helping people to adopt food and lifestyle choices that optimize their health. On average, my clients record a 50% improvement of their symptoms and their ability to do key activities 6 weeks after their first appointment. I give one-to-one consultations, assessing your diet and other health influencers to create your health plan. My name is Rochelle, and my business, Elle Nutrition, is founded on 6 years of studying nutritional therapy and molecular medicine. Book a free call with me now and increase your chance of living to a ripe old age.